Yo. First order of the day, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $7 and change, going about 4 miles.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
You want to ubereats?
Yeah.
Have a good day, thank you.
Thank you. I was literally just thinking about this restaurant. This next one is on Earn by Time now. Current rate is $17 an hour. And this is in Muchas Gracias, going just under 4 miles. Thank you. Bye. I don't know if you guys could hear it because I barely heard it, but the driver in the car in front of me called the lady inside working pretty. Don't know if he was trying to get some extra sauces or what. I'm really hoping that the pin and the GPS are both accurate, because I think they're both taking me to the same spots, because I don't know my way around here. Oh geez, oh geez. KK. No, that's not what I want at all. How does that go from J, K, L, M, M, or K? Nope, 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 nope. What is this? This one was L, I think. That one's L. I need M. Bro, this place is such a mess. Tell me why the buildings went from H to L to K, and then the building right next to that one was NN. Who comes up with this stuff, honestly? Oh yeah, total for that order was just under $10, so pretty decent actually. And then they give me this. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee. This one's going across the river. I think it said it was going about 6.5 miles. Total for that order was $12 and change, which is pretty good, but now I'm stuck over here. So next up, we've got an order for Seize the Bagel. This one is kind of weird. I wouldn't say it's amazing, but it's something. This one is $9, going 7 miles, though most of the mileage is actually getting back into my zone.
You guys have a great day.
You too. Next order up, we've got a Burgerville. This one's going just under 4 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $7 and change. This next order, I was just kind of holding on to in case I got something else before I got to the restaurant, but I guess we're doing it. This is a Chick-fil-A, $7, going about 5 miles.
Picking up for Will.
Yeah.
Wonderful. If I can just double check confirmation. Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Going back to Chick-fil-A for this one. This is going 5 miles. Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $7. Going back to Chick-fil-A yet again. This one is going 4.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $9. Nice. And we got the next order right away. Not as nice. We got a Wendy's going about 3 miles.
Hello, welcome to Wendy's. What could I get started for you for today?
Thank you. It said delivered to PetSmart, and I'm not going to be waiting another 10 minutes until they open, so there you go. Total for that one was $6 and change, and we got the next one right away. This is McDonald's going 3.5 miles.
Thank you. Have a good day.
No tip on that one. Kind of figured. Their order consisted of a free drink and 2 hash browns. So, yeah. Total ended up being $5. Just got the next order. This is a Burger King going 4 miles. Hello. I had to pick up for Jada. Thank you. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $5. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's going 3 miles. No tip on that one. Total was $4. Next up, we've got a habaneros. This one is going just under 3 miles.
For Taylor.
Thank you. Total for that one was $6, and we got the next one right away. This is a stack going to the same person. It is Peachtree Restaurant and the Human Bean going 6 miles. Hello.
Customer.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wait, let me get the straw. Okay. And there's that for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, have you a great day.
You too. There's that for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Total for that stack was $12. Very nice. And I am going to call it here because I am starving. Current time is 10:21. Total, we ended up with $110. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.